Are you using a breast pump but still struggling with low milk output, discomfort, or constant cleaning? In this video, I'll show you the correct way to use a breast pump and daily care tips that most moms never get taught. Hi moms, welcome back. Today, we'll go step by step through how to use a breast pump correctly, how to clean it safely, and simple daily habits that can help you produce more milk naturally. Most moms think they're using their pump correctly, but is small. Mistake in positioning or timing can reduce milk output by up to half. Many mothers use the wrong flange size, sit in an uncomfortable position, or start pumping too quickly without allowing their body to adjust. These small errors can make pumping painful and less effective. Before we even start pumping, you need to know that not all breast pumps work the same, and choosing the wrong one can make pumping uncomfortable or inefficient. There are manual pumps that are lightweight and portable, electric single pumps for occasional use, electric double pumps for busy moms who need efficiency, and hands-free pumps that allow you to move around while pumping. Now let's go through the exact step-by-step process that lactation consultants recommend for maximum milk flow. First, always wash your hands thoroughly before touching any pump parts. Second, assemble your pump correctly and make sure all parts are tightly connected. Third, position the flange so your nipple is centered and not rubbing against the side. Fourth, start with stimulation mode to mimic your baby's natural feeding rhythm. Finally, switch to expression mode once your milk starts flowing to maintain a steady output. If you feel like your pump isn't working, it might not be your body, but your technique. Common mistakes include pumping for too long, which can cause soreness, pumping too rarely, which reduces supply, and trying to pump while stressed or distracted, which can delay your letdown reflex. One of the biggest risks of breast pumping is bacterial contamination, and most moms don't clean their pump correctly. Every part that touches milk should be washed after each session using warm water and mild soap. It's also important to sterilize the parts at least once a day to protect your baby from harmful bacteria, even if you pump perfectly. Storing milk the wrong way can ruin its nutrients within hours. Fresh breast milk can stay at room temperature for a few hours, longer in the refrigerator, and even longer in the freezer. Always use clean storage bags or bottles and label them with the date so you use the oldest milk first. Milk supply isn't just about pumping. Your daily habits, stress levels, and hydration play a huge role. Drinking enough water, getting enough rest, maintaining skin-to-skin contact with your baby, and following a consistent pumping schedule can naturally boost your milk production. Some moms also use power pumping sessions to mimic cluster feeding and increase supply over time.